In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 603 by 9 using the long division method. As 6 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 60. We know that 9 times 6 is equal to 54. If we subtract, we get 6. Now again see that this 6 is also less than 9. That is why we will bring down this number 3 here. And we know that 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 603 divided by 9 is equal to 67. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.